In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever wanted your document to look more like a newsletter, brochure, or magazine, columns are a simple, built-in way to get that clean, professional layout without any complicated design tools. First, open LibreOffice Writer and load the document you want to format. It helps to have a few paragraphs of text in place so you can immediately see how the layout changes. You can always undo and tweak things as you go, so don't worry about making a mistake. At the top of the window, go to the Format menu and choose Columns. This opens the Columns dialog, which is where you'll make all your layout choices. Think of this dialog as your control center for how many columns you want and how they should look. Start by choosing the number of columns. For most documents, 2 columns work well because they're easy to read, while 3 columns can be great for flyers and brochures with shorter text blocks. As you adjust the column count, look at the preview to get a quick sense of how your text will flow. By default, the auto width option is enabled. This keeps all columns the same width and automatically spaces them evenly, which is perfect when you want a balanced, traditional layout. If you want uneven columns, for example, a wider main column with a narrower side column, uncheck auto width. Now you can type exact values for width and spacing. Width controls how wide each column is, and spacing is the gap between columns. A slightly wider spacing can improve readability, but be careful not to make columns so narrow that lines become hard to read. The preview will help you find a comfortable balance. When you're happy with the number of columns and the sizing, click OK to apply your changes. Your text will reflow into the new column layout from top to bottom, then continue into the next column. If you don't see a change right away, make sure you're working in the part of the document you expect. The formatting applies to the current section or selection. That's it. Open your document, go to Format and Columns, select the number you want, fine-tune width and spacing if needed by turning off auto width, and click OK. Save your document to keep the new layout and adjust anytime using the same dialog. With just a few clicks, your text can look polished, organized, and ready to share.